Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to install this wig from WeQueen hair. I will have their product details listed down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. I also will have their Instagram list down below so you guys can go ahead and follow them on Instagram. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kiara K. For those returning back to my channel, thanks for coming back to watch my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, have the notifications turned on so you don't miss any uploads from me. I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you continue watching to the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any uploads from me, and let's go ahead and get into this video.
Alright y'all, so this is what their packaging looks like. So there was a wig cap, there also was a bag for your wig, which I think was really nice, so you have something to store your wig in, and then it also came with a bag of different headbands that you can wear and style the wig with. This is what the wig looks like. So this is a Brazilian version hair, 150% density, and the color is 1B. The inch I do have is a 18-inch wig, and this hair type is 3C hair, or it mimics 3C hair. So the wig does come with the strap to strap the wig down for the headband. It also comes with 2 combs at the front, and there's also a comb at the back. And as you can see, there's another comb at the front of the wig to kind of keep it more secure since it is a headband wig. Now this is what the curl pattern looks like. It's very natural. It gives such natural vibes, which I'm here for. And here are some other ways that you can style the hair, but that's pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave some comments down below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on, and I will see y'all in my next video. Also, don't forget to check the description box for the hair details, and make sure you follow WeQueen on Instagram.